New at 5 gay rights advocates say they have roughly 4 months to convince members of the U.S. Senate to adopt legal protections for the LGBTQ community. The Equality Act updates federal law to protect gender identity and sexual orientation from discrimination. Bill O'Neill joins us in Greensboro with the story.
This bill, which expands the Civil Rights Act of 1964, has already passed the House, but its future in the Senate remains questionable. Gay rights groups are targeting North Carolina Senators Richard Burr and Thom Tillis for their support. The head of Freedom for All Americans says he's hopeful of getting Tillis's vote based on comments the North Carolina Republican made last year.
He said unequivocally that he's very interested in seeing us get LGBTQ non-discrimination protections over the line. So we have every hope that he means that.
Supporters claim that most Americans support the Equality Act, but North Carolina Republicans serving in Congress voted against the bill, including Representatives Patrick McHenry, Ted Budd, and Virginia Foxx. Foxx attacked the bill on the floor of the House last year.
It's outrageous that Democrats would advertise these proposals as guaranteeing fundamental civil and legal rights.
North Carolina Democrats, including Kathy Manning, voted for the bill. Manning issued a statement saying, quote, "For too long, LGBTQ Americans have faced discrimination in the workplace, housing, and lending systems." The head of Equality North Carolina says bipartisan support is needed to pass the Equality Act.
We need to have our representation on both sides of the aisle taking up this issue in a meaningful way to find a solution to people who are routinely marginalized because of their identities.
Kendra Johnson says the Equality Act won't end discrimination, but it creates a legal mechanism to pursue equality under the law.
I think many people are, first of all, surprised to learn that protections don't already exist nationwide.
21 states, including North Carolina, have adopted non-discrimination ordinances, but supporters of the Equality Act say it's not enough.
We need to do away with this patchwork and bring comprehensive non-discrimination protections for the LGBTQ population.
Supporters say the Senate needs to take action by June before turning its attention to the upcoming elections. By the way, we've reached out to the offices of North Carolina's 2 senators. We asked whether or not Richard Burr or Thom Tillis has taken a position on the Equality Act. Neither office responded to our question. In Greensboro, I'm Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.